Ready to take your workouts to the next level? Discover how pro athletes prepare for peak performance and why warming up just isn't enough anymore. Today, we're talking about the importance of a proper warm-up. Warming up like a pro athlete isn't just about getting loose. It's about preparing your body to perform at its peak and preventing injuries. In this video, we'll walk you through the exact steps professional athletes take to prepare themselves before a workout or game and show you how you can incorporate these techniques into your routine too. Understanding why warm-up matters. Warming up is crucial for anyone looking to maximize their performance and stay injury-free. When you warm up, you increase blood flow to your muscles, which helps them become more flexible and ready for action. This boost in circulation not only reduces the risk of injury, but also enhances your overall performance. A good warm-up sharpens your focus, improves agility, and increases your power, setting you up for success in your workout or game. On the flip side, skipping this important step can lead to strains and sprains, leaving you sidelined and underperforming. So don't overlook the warm-up. It's your body's way of preparing for greatness. Step-by-step pro athlete. Warm-up routine. Step 1. Start with mobility drills. To kick off your warm-up, begin with mobility drills. Professional athletes prioritize joint mobility to ensure their bodies are ready for action. Exercises like arm circles, hip rotations, and ankle rolls are perfect for this. Why? These movements help increase your range of motion and reduce stiffness in your joints. By loosening up these areas, you prepare your body for the more intense activities ahead, minimizing the risk of injury. Step 2. Dynamic stretching. Next, move on to dynamic stretching. Unlike static stretches that hold a position, dynamic movements keep you moving and engaged. Incorporate exercises like leg swings, high knees, butt kicks, and walking lunges. Why? Dynamic stretching primes your muscles for activity by improving flexibility without sacrificing power. This approach helps activate the muscles you'll be using during your workout, making them more responsive when it's time to perform. Step 3. Muscle activation. Now it's time for muscle activation. This step involves engaging the key muscles you'll rely on during your workout or game. Perform exercises like glute bridges, banded lateral walks, and calf raises. Why? Activating these muscles ensures they are ready to handle the demands of high-intensity movements. This preparation helps improve performance and reduces the likelihood of strains or injuries during your session. Step 4. Cardiovascular. Warm-up. Finally, wrap up your warm-up with a cardiovascular component. Light cardio is essential to elevate your heart rate and increase body temperature. Try light jogging, jumping rope, or fast-paced walking. Why? This step primes your body for more explosive and intense activity by getting your blood pumping and your muscles warmed up. It's a crucial final touch that prepares you mentally and physically for the workout ahead. Pro tips from athletes. To really elevate your warm-up, here are some pro tips straight from the athletes themselves. Consistency is key. Pro athletes make warming up a non-negotiable part of their routine. They warm up religiously before every training session or game. This consistency helps their bodies get used to the process, making it more effective over time. Mental prep matters. Warming up isn't just physical, it's mental too. Many athletes combine their warm-up with mental focus exercises. Techniques like visualization, imagining themselves performing at their best, and breathing exercises help them get in the right mindset for peak performance. Use warm-ups for body assessment. Pro athletes take advantage of warm-up time to check in with their bodies. They pay attention to how they feel. Are their muscles tight, sore, or sluggish? This self-assessment helps them adjust their workout if needed, ensuring they're ready to go. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can make your warm-up even more effective and set yourself up for success. Common warm-up mistakes. Let's talk about some common warm-up mistakes that can really hinder your performance. Static stretching before intense activity. One major mistake is doing static stretches before your workout. While stretching is important, holding stretches for long periods can actually make your muscles less responsive when you need them to perform. Instead, save static stretching for after your workout, when your muscles are warm and more pliable. Rushing through the warm-up. Another mistake is rushing through the warm-up. Many people think they can just skim through it to get to the main workout, but that's not how athletes do it. Give yourself enough time to properly warm up, just like the pros do. A thorough warm-up prepares your body and mind for what's ahead, enhancing your overall performance. Skipping the warm-up altogether. Finally, skipping the warm-up is a big no. It might seem tempting to skip it when you're short on time, but the risk of injury or underperformance isn't worth it. Warming up helps prevent strains and sprains while ensuring you're ready to tackle your workout effectively. Avoiding these common mistakes will help you get the most out of your training sessions and keep you safe while you push yourself. Wrapping up the routine. To wrap up, we've covered the importance of prepping like a pro athlete. You've learned how crucial it is to focus on mobility, dynamic movements, and muscle activation, along with incorporating mental focus techniques into your warm-up. These steps not only prepare your body for peak performance, but also help prevent injuries. So next time you work out, give this warm-up routine a try and see how it transforms your session. You might be surprised at how much better you feel and perform. What's your go-to warm-up? Comment below and let's share tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips on training like an athlete. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore recovery techniques that pro athletes swear by. You won't want to miss it.